Good Sunday today, guys. Today, bear with me. I am making a apple crumble. I'm gonna cook in the air fryer. This is my first time experiment. So for my recipe, I had a 1/3 cups of oat milk, uh, oats, 1/3 cup plain flour, a 60 grams of butter and chop it up and make into a crumble with this crumbs. Make it into in a plain flour and oats. I crumbled it like that. See, that will be my toppings for my apple crumble. So I feel like eating. I get so many apples. I don't want to waste, so I just have to make it apple crumble. And there you go. That's ready for topping. It's a bit of a job. And for my apple, here we go. I still like cook it a little bit with honey. Very healthy honey, apple, green and delicious apples. Chop it up and cook it in a low medium heat. Make it soft and tiny bit of salt. Mix it up and I'm gonna bake this and I put some cinnamon, honey, and 1/3 cup of brown sugar still. So I'm gonna make that first and I'm going to put it here and cook in a air fryer. There you go. So put it up with olive oil. This is cooked now. I think I'm making it just to mix it up. Then I'll cook it in a now it's all done, mix up. So I'll transfer it here. Phone, guys, sorry. There you go. So what I'll do, oops, upside down, sorry. Sorry guys, malfunction. It's upside. So what I'll do is turn it off first. Is that this is my trial. So I put here all in the pan. The apple, everything here. Mix up. Ooh, this will be yummy. Alright. So as you see, it's all apple there. And then what I do is that's all done there. Now that's the apple, the mixture. I'll put it on the top of it. Yan, sarap yan. I'll let you know later if masarap. But of course, all my cooking, I'll make it very specially yummy because I like to eat yummy food. So this is all. Then when it's cooked later, I will have this for my dessert. I'll have some ice cream and custard. Yan. That's all, folks. Ready to put in an air fryer. Ouch! Aray ko. Sorry. Too much. Too much happenings. I'm quite excited with my apple crumble. Have a look at my apple crumble. It's all going ready. Now, I will show you where I put it. Okay, hang on. There you go. So I'll just stick it here in my air fryer. There you go. Yep. And then I'm going to turn it on. And cook it for 30 minutes first. And see, there you go. There, guys. So, keep in touch. I keep you posted after I finish this. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Have a great Sunday all and happy engagement. So, this is my dessert for today, guys.